Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, we'll bring you the second in a series of videos. We're dealing with Wing Chun, combining Chi Sao, China, chokes, and throws. But before we do that, I need you to go over the boxes and please hit like and subscribe and click the bell to always. Thank you for your continued support and have a great day. Defend the round punch using poxal. Move outside, lopsal punch, poxal palm strike. Moving into your arm bar, you can move up the arm and now control it as a shoulder lock. From Luxal roll, my opponent steps out and throws a round punch. Defend the round punch using your poxal. Move outside, lop punch, pak palm, roll into your arm bar, step in front, and control now as a shoulder lock.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.